The number of credit cards you should have depends on your personal financial situation and credit management skills. While having multiple credit cards can offer some benefits, it's important to use them responsibly and avoid getting into debt. Here are some things to consider when deciding how many credit cards to have. Credit utilization. Your credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of credit you're using compared to your credit limit, is an important factor in your credit score. It's generally recommended to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. Having multiple credit cards can help keep your utilization ratio low by increasing your available credit. Rewards and benefits. Some credit cards offer rewards, such as cashback or points for purchases made with the card. If you're someone who enjoys taking advantage of credit card rewards, having multiple cards can increase your earning potential. Annual fees. Some credit cards charge annual fees. If you have multiple credit cards with annual fees, the costs can add up quickly. Consider whether the benefits of each card outweigh the annual fee. Credit management skills. If you struggle with managing credit cards responsibly, having multiple cards can be a recipe for debt and financial trouble. It's important to only have as many credit cards as you can handle and to pay off your balances in full each month to avoid interest charges. In general, having 2 to 3 credit cards can be a good balance of earning rewards, maintaining a healthy credit utilization ratio, and avoiding unnecessary fees. However, the right number of credit cards for you may be different based on your financial goals and credit management skills. It's important to regularly evaluate your credit card usage and make adjustments as necessary to ensure you're using credit responsibly.